Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today I wanted to show you a product research method that I've been using lately to turn a list of ideas that you have into a much bigger list of ideas that you have. So you can speed up the process as which you're analyzing your markets and then ultimately move ahead and launch into these markets. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, be sure to like and subscribe down below. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So I've been really pushing myself lately to use helium-10 in some pretty creative ways, and I gotta say I've been absolutely loving it. We're gonna start from a place where, for instance, we're just using $5,000 to $20,000 in search volume, $20,000 to $100,000 in revenue, no other reviews, just category selections, because the point of this is we just need search terms for markets within that range. Everything else is we're gonna multiply down the line. By the way, I just got an email from my affiliate manager for Helium-10. We've been working together for a few years now. Absolutely love the software, use it for everything. They're gonna provide you guys with 35% off for 4 months. This is just until the end of the month, okay? Special offer. So if you're watching this in September of 2024, 35% off for months. You can go do this strategy, come back to this video, get your software, and follow along with me step by step. You start moving towards your goals. So just wanted to let you guys know that. There'll be a link in the description. Check this out. We click into an enthusiast market like pets, right? Dog enrichment toys, 13,000, almost 14,000 search volume, 72,000 in monthly revenue. Tripping over my words here. We'll click on view on Amazon. Okay, so when we get here, obviously there's nothing new here. Paul, what is this crazy new Amazon research method? I've done that a million times. This is not it, right? So this is where we're starting from. And this might be a good toy in and of itself. Obviously a good customer, right? So much so that a lot of companies will pay a lot for a customer in the pet supplies market. I myself just adopted a dog about 3 months ago now. And yeah, I've spent some money in the pet supplies area. I could see why, and repeat purchases from some brands, right? I can see the merit of this market for sure. Great example of that would be this Bark company. They're in Target. They have subscription boxes for dogs, and we have this Super Chewer collection is epic. Now I don't have the subscription. Okay, I'm not one of those guys yet, apparently. But we went to Target, ruins everything. Got a toy that lasted longer than anything else. And so we were impressed with that. And their packaging is awesome. They're a super modern brand. Like, this company does almost $500 million in sales a year. So I think Q1 of this year, they reported $116 million in revenue, fueled by apparently one of the strongest customer acquisition pushes they had in Q4 of last year. Talk about a brand that did it right, okay? Started, I'm not going to come over here and promise you that we're going to find $100 million product ideas today, because that's a company, not a product, right? Doesn't make any sense. Anyway, we start with a product, right? That's all I'm trying to say is we come from keywords, or anywhere you're walking in a store, you think of an idea. You use Black Box in another way, you think of an idea. Find a keyword, and then Helium-10 will actually show you this added information if you have their Chrome extension. And so I could click into the category, the subcategory that this product ranks in, and then I can actually just come to this screen, open X-ray again on this screen, and analyze, instead of just the search term I was looking at, I can go and find every product in that category and how they're performing ranked in order. Right? Why is that valuable? Well, because I just took one idea and turned it into everything that this customer would probably also buy, because it's in the same subcategory for the same customer. Now I can see top performers in the category as a whole, maybe not even mega giant ones, but I can go down and look at sellers that are doing 6 figures with a higher priced product. This product here, right? So $28.99, $100,000 a month, a bully stick holder for dogs. Interesting. Okay, now, once you're here, it keeps going. Trust me, it keeps going. We're going to keep giving you all the tactics. People love the tactics. We go see all keywords, okay? Once you click see all keywords, what I want you to do next, never loads, okay, here we go, is take whatever the highest search volume term is on this listing. In this case, it's bully stick holder. Copy that keyword. We're going back to Helium-10. This time we're going to magnet, okay? Once I get to magnet, I'm going to paste that keyword in and hit search. Now make sure you're on find suggestions, not analyze keywords. Pretty sure it auto loads like that anyway. Now real quick, we're gonna go 1,000 search volume minimum. Okay, then we're gonna come over to suggested PPC bid. We're gonna go $1.20. Boom, hit apply filters. Now check this out. Turn that one keyword into more keywords. So you just keep multiplying the number of ideas you're looking at. In this case, it's so specific to this product that Another strategy that I can do is just take the category we were just in, dog chew toys. What we could do is actually take the category that we were in, the subcategory where we got more ideas, open up X-ray on that. We can actually use that and just search that in Magnet as well. And now we're talking 6,300 different keywords relating to that. We can come in here, put 1,000 minimum search volume and maybe a PPC bid of, no minimum, just like $1.50 and hit enter. Okay, now we went from 6,000 to 153 keywords, all with over 1,000 search volume and under $1.50 keyword bid. Find more specific niche products, higher search volume, lower, cost per click, and look through instead of just one product at a time. It's so tedious to like run your ideas through. A lot of you took my 7-day free challenge where I go over how to identify an opportunity properly, looking into the PPC bid, what it's going to take to get into that market, the type of customer you want to be selling for. There's a link in the description. I also put a pinned comment. But if you're just taking product by product and you're only analyzing on individual search terms, it can be demanding. It takes a ton of time. So we need to figure out a way to essentially bulk process, right? We need to look at more ideas quickly. So one of the ways to do that would be take bigger, broader search terms, run them through something that'll give you 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 results, and then filter down as much as you can to the things that you want to see, whether that's competing products, PPC bids, search volume, etc., and looking at things through there, because we can ignore 99% of the results, right? This looks like something very specific. Looks like there's intellectual property involved here. This color scheme, this specific thing. This one actually says officially licensed. I must just not know the character, right? But yeah, that's just, that's the strategy. Okay, so we would keep looking through here. One of the things you could even play around with would be like conversion share is a minimum of 30%. Okay, so we don't see anything where conversion share on the top competitors is low. We can sort by search volume, and 5,000 search volume, I tend to get less excited about. I might spend a little bit of time looking, because who's to say that, dog ropes for aggressive chewers doesn't have a variation of that keyword on its own when I run Magnet on that, or I run Cerebro on the products in that market that has 10,000 search volume, 15,000. So you got to be a little bit more lenient at this stage. Keep in mind, we're not applying our final filters yet. We're not going like, okay, 5, 10, 15,000 minimum search volume, depending on your market, how big of a product you want to start, etc. But Magnet played a big role when I was doing my keyword research for my $30,000 per month Amazon FBA product. And so I wanted to share this with you. It's evolved since then, obviously, the way that I'm doing it now to kind of integrate product research into it. But nonetheless, hopefully that was helpful for you. And I'll see you here on the channel again for another video soon. Thanks so much. Later.